Welcome to 86 BIrge Street in Hamilton, Ontario. This is a 4,000 square foot, two-story converted industrial building, which was fully renovated and updated in 2017. It's currently an upper-lower legal duplex with 2,000 square feet per floor. The building is concrete block construction on a slab foundation and is very solid and very soundproof, both to the outside and between floors. Entering through the newly installed steel decor door with side lights, there's a large vestibule and stairs to the second floor. Both are beautifully lit by the oversized windows. The upstairs apartment is the size of a large house at 2,000 plus square feet. At the top of the stairs, there's a cutaway to reveal the 350 square foot living room with west-facing exposure providing beautiful sunset views. With 10-foot ceilings and 3-foot by 6-foot high-quality Dell windows installed during the renovation, this is a grand living space. There are 9 windows throughout the apartment, plus glass door and 2 skylights, so it's very bright. The current owner uses one of the large bedrooms, 13 feet by 19 feet, for a photography studio, which provides lots of space plus storage options, as well as room for a gallery of images for the photography business. To the right of the photo studio is the master bedroom. At a size of approximately 350 square feet, you'd be hard-pressed to find a bedroom this large in the city's downtown. There's a stair ladder to the egress skylight providing access to the rooftop, and more about the roof in a minute. The master bedroom has a 2-piece ensuite with washer-dryer, plus a modern open closet, and is large enough to include an additional sofa and chair. To the left of the photo studio is an updated 3-piece bathroom, and just beyond the bathroom is the kitchen area. The kitchen has vintage oak cabinetry installed, tile flooring, and chopping block wooden countertops. Beyond the kitchen is another bedroom which is spacious and bright and provides additional storage. With the kitchen's adjoining living area, the full bathroom, and the good-sized bedroom, this space could easily be converted into a large 1-bedroom apartment for additional income. On the main floor, there's a 2-bedroom rental apartment with current tenants. Also with 10-foot ceilings, plus exposed beams and large living kitchen space, this is an easy apartment to rent. The master bedroom in the main floor apartment is also very large with double closets. There are dual sinks in the bathroom, plus a utility area with washer-dryer. And now back to the roof. The flat roof of this former industrial building has potential for gardens, solar panels, or a green roof, all with a 360-degree view of the city. This building is close by to highway access and attractive to commuters. It's also just a few short steps to Hamilton General Hospital and near to schools, parks, public transportation, shopping, dining, and the downtown core. It would be a perfect home for a doctor or nurse, also providing additional rental property income. A terrific place to live or invest. For more information, contact Cameron Nolan at Remax Escarpment Realty Inc.